Mad?
What?
How are you getting mad?
I'm getting angry.
You're the sidekick.
Huh.
Today we're going to be making pizza. She's going to be making a Hawaiian pizza, and I'm just going to be making a regular pepperoni pizza.
First, I'm going to cook some bacon.
While she's cooking the bacon, I'm going to open up my cheese. I'll be grating the cheese for both of us.
This is an electronic pan. The instructions said I need to cook bacon at 300 degrees for about 8 minutes.
I'm going to open up my cheese package and start grating.
Okay, next I'm going to handle pineapple. Cut the end. Oh, it's so hard. Okay.
I'm just going to break this into a smaller chunk rather than this very big chunk. I'm just going to slowly grate it.
And then they said the pineapple can stand up. Just cut the skins.
Cut the skin off.
I'm going to cut the skin off. Thank you, English teacher. It doesn't work as easily as the video shows.
Okay, this is way too slow. So I'm just going to be using a garlic press. So I'm just going to put a chunk of cheese in. I'm going to press.
I think nobody ever found this use of garlic press.
Is your bacon cooking?
It seems like no change. This is our first time to use this.
First time using this. We got this 2 weeks ago. Actually, no, last week.
Oh, by the way, how about you use this? I want to see how it looks like.
This? I don't think this is an actual grate.
Can I see how it looks
It's not
like?
enough.
Yeah, that's perfect. It's going to melt on top of the pizza, right?
So, when are you going to get rid of all the holes in your pineapple?
Soon.
And what's this for?
I need to dry the pineapple before I put them on top of the pizza dough.
Are you going to just manually take each part off?
Okay, I give up. I will figure out a better way.
Isn't the core harder to cut than the outsides?
Yeah, the core is supposed to be harder, but this pineapple specifically, I asked Daddy to buy a ripen.
Right.
A very ripe.
Isn't the ripe one supposed to be brown, not green?
Yeah, it's not
Completely
fresh
brown.
pineapple. That's what I want. Because the core not going to be that hard. Last time I even eat the core. It was fine. Let's try the core.
She's completely giving up on the outsides and she's probably just gonna eat it. Never mind, she's gonna eat the entire pineapple. This is taking way too long.
Daddy, are you going to time lapse? I think it's good time to time lapse. Oh, so I'm just going to cut the holes off. I don't need to handle them. Actually, it's done first.
She's going to continue cutting the pineapple. I'm going to make the sauce that again both of us are going to be using. So last time I used this sauce, I found out that the sauce is actually pretty sour. So I'm going to add a little bit of sugar in and I'm just going to mix it with a whisk.
I will need the tomato sauce too.
Okay, so I'll add more.
Thank you.
I'm going to try it. It's still a little bit sour, so I'm going to add a little bit more sugar.
Oh, I heard this is what professional chefs do. They taste before they cook it.
What you would do is just, okay, let's add all the sugar in. And
Yeah, I always do like all the everything.
Now I'm gonna taste again. I think the sauce is good. Now I'll help her cook the bacon.
Thank you.
She's moving here and I'm gonna cook the bacon. I think it should be on. The bacon smells good.
Yeah, of course.
I don't know if anything's happening though.
Last time I started seasoning, right?
This is what she did last time you're pressing it.
We are struggling with the new pan.
Oh, it's working.
Oh, finally it started seasoning.
So it's now starting to sizzle. I have no clue how that works. I just pressed the two sides of the work.
So you can flip them.
I'm gonna wait for them to cook before I flip them.
Don't get my bacon burned, Xwill. I don't need them to be fully cooked. I'm still going to bake them.
It's not even crispy.
Oh, I think they're cooked, Xwill. They're cooked. Ooh.
I'm gonna go turn down the heat a bit. I'm just gonna flip all of the bacon.
Finally, I'm done.
How long did that take?
Time for me to toss the pineapple.
Why?
I'm supposed to get rid of all the water. I got a little bit juice. Do you want to drink it?
You drink it.
Delicious. Okay, so now we can assemble.
So we're gonna start making our pizzas.
It's called a pizza crust.
So it's just like a pizza that was already pre-made because my mom here would not let me make my own.
Too time consuming. I have no time to edit such video.
From the bowl, I'm going to take the sauce and I'm going to put it into my pizza crust.
Okay, I will need the sauce too. Oh, they said get some oil before do this, right? So I'm going to use the bacon oil.
I'm gonna put the oil on the crust.
Bacon released a lot of oil, just use them.
Is there another brush?
You choose spoon first. I will use the brush. Your choice, Xwill.
Okay, I'll use this. I'll use my spatula and I'm going to go spread the sauce around.
So oil, the first layer. The second layer is the tomato sauce. And then on top of that, I will need the glue, which is the cheese.
Are you sure cheese is like glue?
Yeah, it will melt. It will stick anything on top.
I'm gonna use this brush. I'm going to try to like brush the oil around the edges.
Now it's time for toppings.
So now that the oil is brushed around, I'm going to add my cheese. So I'm going to add more than she did.
So that's a lot of cheese. Okay, bad idea. I should put bacon first. Okay, so for the other one, correct my mistake. Bacon first. So bacon is flat, pineapple is chunky. So I think bacon should go at the bottom, pineapple on top. So if I do this, it looks funny.
Now I'm going to add my pepperoni, but unlike her, I'm going to add less.
Oh, my. We forgot to preheat the oven. How much you want, Axel?
400 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna add 7.
So I'm almost evenly distributed all my bacons into these two pizza doughs, pre-made pizza doughs. Oh, I also want to top some green peas.
I have no clue why she's adding the green peas onto it.
Color contrast. Well, actually, it turned out the bacon on top of the pineapple looks better than the bacon underneath the pineapple.
She only cares about looking good.
I'm a woman, right? He's a boy. He doesn't care.
Woman? What's a woman?
I'm a woman. Axel, don't be picky of my English. I'm getting mad.
Mad?
What?
How are you getting mad?
I'm getting angry. You're too picky on me.
Are you almost done?
Huh. You never seen anybody putting green peas on top of Hawaiian pizza. I'm the first person. Remember me, okay?
What if it tastes very bad?
Daddy will eat everything.
You have to think about it. Why has no one ever put green peas on a pizza?
Because they don't dare to try. I'm the first one dare to try.
Maybe they tried, but it didn't taste good.
I still can try. It's my life. I do whatever I want to do. The timer has run.
Now I'm gonna bake for 8 minutes, I guess.
It's time to cook my beautiful Hawaiian pizza.
I'm gonna start by cutting my pizza with a cake knife.
We don't have the rolling knife. I don't need to cut it. I just eat it.
Cut it.
Perfect. I will score 120 this time.
I'll score 200.
I don't think a 4 pizza is good for 3 people. You should bake more. This Hawaiian pizza is so yummy. I can eat the entire thing, no problem. You good?
Let me try. It's cheesy and good.
I will try your pepperoni. I feel the pepperoni is good. Scores 100. Mine is 120. Axel, what do you think?
The bacon's too salty.
That's a bacon dress. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up.
Oh, thank you. Us. So Axel really like my Hawaiian pizza.
Okay. If you like this video, please give my pepperoni pizza a thumbs up, and not her.
If you like my pepperoni pizza, oh no. If you like my Hawaiian pizza.
Disaster.
Okay, bye guys.
Bye.
Thumbs up.